Welcome to our market outlook. First of all, let's start with a brief review. Profit booking amid caution ahead of Infosys October-December earnings and India's industrial production data for November are announced post-benchmark share indices to end flat. Nifty ended nearly flat at 5,968, which was down 3 points from Wednesday. Turnover in the domestic market slipped to 157.5 billion rupees from 160.7 billion rupees on Wednesday. Gains in oil and gas and banking shares offset the fall in capital goods, metal and power shares. Pharmaceutical companies also fell on profit booking after rising consistently for the past three sessions. Shares of ONGC and Oil India stayed afloat on hopes that the government would soon hike prices of diesel as the move would reduce their subsidy burden. ONGC topped the Nifty with a gain of 3.4%, closed at 302 rupees, and Oil India climbed 4% to close at 495 rupees. Bargain buying helped the shares of Bank of India, SBI and Axis Bank and Bank of Baroda, while Kingfisher Airlines jumped 10% to close at 14.7 rupees. Infosys, which details its quarterly result today, ended down 0.4% at 2,322 rupees. Shares of cement majors extended losses from Wednesday's section on concerns their power and fuel costs will rise if they have to pay diesel at a market price. ACC and Ambuja Cement lost 1.3 and 2.7% respectively. Ultratech Cement, which was down 3.2%, was the worst hit on the Nifty. Among other stocks, Engineers India fell 4.5% to close at 230 rupees after the Committee on Economic Affairs approved 10% disinvestment of government stake in the company. Coming to today's outlook, as you all know, we have two major events to watch out today. Domestic indices will take use from October-December earnings of information technology major Infosys, which was already announced in the market, and investors will also take use from data on the India's industrial production growth in November, which is expected to release at 11 a.m. According to a poll, India's industrial output growth is likely to moderate sharply in November to 1.4% from 16 months high of 8.2% in October. Coming to Infosys result, Infosys reported a flat consolidated net profit for the third quarter ending December 2012. The company posted a net profit of 2,369 crore as compared to the same in the previous quarter, which is better than the market estimates of 6% and down 22.21 billion rupees. However, the revenue for the third quarter rose by 5.7%. The company reported a revenue of 10,424 crores as compared to 9,858 crore in the corresponding period a year ago. Information technology shares will take use from the Infosys number, and we have Bajaj Corp, CMC and Triveni Turbine results today, so that shares will take use from its October-December earnings numbers. Rather than the Infosys result, we can say that the market is in a consolidation and taking continuous support at 5,960 range. So any movement in connection with the Infosys result will drag the Nifty to either side, because for the last couple of days Nifty has been failed to surpass the levels on either side, because we have major resistance at the 6,050 range at the higher levels and 5,960 range at the bottom level. So for last couple of days indices, Nifty was trading between this range. So any breakout on either side will take the Nifty to further direction. On the upper side, we can project a target up to 6,125 in spot Nifty, and on the downside, 5,900 level is the bottom level we can expect. So 5,900 level correction can be considered as a healthy one, and those who have to accumulate stocks can take this opportunity to buy better stocks at lower levels. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice trading day.